In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find people who are open to work on LinkedIn. This can be a valuable tool whether you're a recruiter searching for potential candidates or just looking to expand your professional network with people who are actively seeking opportunities. We'll break this down step by step to ensure that you can easily follow along and use this feature effectively. First, you'll want to head over to linkedin.com and log into your account. If you're not already a member of LinkedIn, you'll need to sign up and create a profile. But assuming you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials and click Sign In. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your LinkedIn feed. Now, look towards the top of the page where you'll find the search bar. This is your gateway to discovering the vast network of professionals on LinkedIn. Click directly into this search bar. This is where you can start to input what you're specifically looking for. Let's say, for example, you're interested in finding someone with experience as a content editor. Type in the job role you're interested in, such as content editor, and hit enter. This initial search will bring up a variety of results, but we want to refine these results to focus specifically on people. Once your results load, you'll see an option to click on See All Results. This allows you to view the full list of search results pertaining to the role you've entered. After clicking on See All Results, you'll notice a set of filters toward the top of the page, right below the search bar. Find and click on the People filter. This action narrows your search results to show individuals who match your criteria. Now, here's where LinkedIn's Open to Work feature comes into play. When individuals on LinkedIn are actively seeking new opportunities, many choose to display a green Open to Work badge on their profile picture. This badge makes it easier for others to identify them as someone open to employment opportunities. As you sift through the list of people, keep an eye out for those with the Open to Work badge. These are the individuals you may want to connect with or reach out to, especially if their experience and skills align with what you're looking for. This simple yet effective process allows you to identify and connect with professionals eager for new opportunities, enhancing your networking or recruiting efforts. Remember to personalize any messages you send out when reaching out to candidates, as a tailored message can significantly increase your chances of a successful connection. Happy networking, and we hope you find this tool beneficial in your LinkedIn endeavors.